topic wise, I think the general distribution for the exam is gonna be something similar to this, that is 25 questions for math. Chalo. Hi everyone, welcome to ARH Design Academy. So before we get into the video, I first want to congratulate all of us for building a community of 500 architectural aspirants in such a short period of time on YouTube. The interactions you guys have in the comment section and the way you guys help each other is really amazing, and it inspires me to make more useful content for you guys. So kudos to everyone. Let's keep going like that. Let's build a community of future architects and designers here on YouTube. I will try to give you guys more helpful updates, tips and materials for your exams and your architectural journey as well. So thank you for your support. It really means a lot to me. Now I have to admit, I have been very busy with my classes own test series, and it's been a very hectic schedule for me too. So there are few discrepancies in the previous tests which might have slipped my eyes, but you have been very prompt in letting me know and pointing out what I might have missed. So thank you for being patient with me. I have mentioned any mistakes or any minor discrepancies in the test in the pinned comments for respective tests. Please check them out first if you have any issues with the question, and if you still feel that there is something wrong with the question, feel free to let me know. I will try to solve it for you guys. It might not be possible for me every time to make changes in the video or even explaining the logic verbally. So please feel free to connect with me on Instagram for any doubts or more updates. Link is in the description box. Now that out of the way, let's get started. Alright, so this is the final call for your NATA 2021 April attempt, which is just a few days ahead. I hope your preparations are going well. This is going to be a quick video with few updates in instructions for the test and something special at the end. Now, NATA 2021 is going to happen as per the given schedule. There was a little panic situation in Maharashtra candidates because of the weekend lockdown, but a press release and a newspaper article reiterated that the exam will happen as scheduled, which is on 10th of April 2021 at 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. Now regarding that, your admit card is available for download at nataregistration.in. Please download it. Keep a few copies with you. Particularly Maharashtra people, you will not get a printout on Saturday morning because of the weekend lockdown. So please get your printouts as early as possible and keep 2-3 copies with you. Also, I have talked to a few officials regarding this. You will not have any issues commuting for your exam as long as you have your admit card with you. Now, I want to give you a little idea about the timescape of the exam. So in the brochure, they have mentioned that the reporting time is 9 a.m. and gate will open at 9:15 a.m. Required procedures such as temperature check, mask and gloves, along with seat allocation and your registration should be done by 9:45 a.m. and exam will commence at 10 a.m. sharp. Make sure you reach on time because main gates will close at 10 a.m. and last entry in the exam hall will be at 10:15 a.m. So once your registration and seat allocation is done, you will get test instructions on your screen 10 minutes before the commencement of the test. Now a lot of questions that you guys have been asking regarding negative marking and will you be able to switch between sections, how many questions for each topics, and some minor questions also, they all will be covered in the instruction part. I would highly recommend कि you read the instructions carefully because nothing was mentioned about this in the brochure. So read them carefully. It's very important that you understand the test and paper structure thoroughly and prepare yourself mentally before your paper starts. The test will start at 10 a.m. and it will go on till 1 p.m. You will not be allowed to leave the exam hall before 1 p.m. Alright, so this is really important. Someone always messes up in this part about what to carry in your exam. So you have to carry just 3 things. First, downloaded admit card of NATA 2021, color copy if possible. If not, black and white will work too, but keep at least 2-3 copy with yourself. Second, original ID card. either your Aadhaar card or license or voter ID or any other government official ID, but you need the original. Xerox will not be accepted, and if you don't have your original, they will not let you in the exam. So please make sure you have the original with you on the day of examination. You can keep Xerox copies with you, but without original, they will not allow you. Along with that, 1 or 2 pens, maybe a pencil and an eraser. Only this stuff is allowed, as there is no drawing part. Please don't bother carrying scale and colors and whatnot. Save the hassle. Okay, what not to carry? So your phones, iPods, smartwatches, Bluetooth devices, logbook, electronic watches, any concealed mic or anything. Basically cheating का सामान मत लेके जाओ, कोई point नहीं है. Analog clock might be allowed, but don't bother, because there will be a clock in the exam hall and there will be a timer on your screen anyway, so you don't really need a wristwatch. Okay, what else? Keep 2 sets of mask and gloves with you, one that you will wear while going and other one you might need in some emergency case. They said that they will be providing a mask, but keep an extra set of mask and gloves with you. If you are wearing surgeon's gloves, sprinkle some talcum powder before wearing them, prevents the palms from sweating. But if it is not mandatory and if they are not asking for it specifically, don't wear gloves. It's a hassle doing your work wearing gloves because it sweats a lot. But mask should be worn all the time and it should be worn properly. Although there will be water facility, keep a clear transparent water bottle with you with no paper or any written stuff on it. Add some glucose powder, allow करेंगे तो ले जाना, वरना छोड़ देना बाहर. Keep your own sanitizer. There will be provisions, but you be prepared. Now this one is important. You need to download Arogya Setu app and keep the Bluetooth on for live tracking. They said that they will check it. I don't think that might happen, but possibly they will. Keep it downloaded. Maybe start the Bluetooth when you reach the center if you want. But you need Arogya Setu as per the brochure. Now they have not mentioned anything about the clothing, but wear something light and airy. Exam hall may or may not be air conditioned, and worst case scenario not properly ventilated, as the case was with some of my students in JEE paper 2. So wear something light, wear something airy. Your performance will drop if you don't feel comfortable in the exam center about what you are wearing. What else? Please arrange your transportation ahead of the time, and who is going to drop you and how it's gonna work out. If your center is outside your city, or if you have to travel for a long time, please reach there at least 12 hours before the exam, as you need to get accustomed to the weather of that particular city. Also make sure you are getting at least 8 hours of sleep before the exam. I said 8 hours of sleep, not time spent on bed. Sleep time. You need 8 hours of sleep. That is really, really important. I would highly suggest that you prefer 4-wheeler transport, either your own vehicle or a cab or a taxi. It's pretty hot outside. You might get dehydrated on 2-wheeler. Also, please do not travel alone by yourself to the center. Ask someone, your parents, relative or guardian, to accompany you. Keep a copy of all the documents with them in case of emergency. I'm talking about the Xerox copies. You need originals with you. Alright, during the exam, please look for proper social distancing in your center. It is very important that you follow your social distancing norms, because a lot of people tend to get overexcited in such scenarios. You don't want to be one of that person. Keep yourself calm and collected. Follow all the guidelines. Now, this is a possibility. Even if you get an easy chance, do not engage in any type of malpractice. Exam functionaries such as CCTV recordings are maintained and stored, and they might be reviewed later. You might get caught, and in such case you might be given to the police according to the brochure. Even if nobody is in the exam hall, please abstain from talking to people. मत करो cheating. यार कोई point नहीं है इस चीज़ का. As simple as that. See, don't ask, don't tell. Especially don't ask. How do you know that the person you are asking has the right answer, or even he is telling you the right answer, even if he knows? मत करो. पकड़े गए तो 2 साल डीबार हो जाओगे एग्जाम से. Don't engage in any of such practice. Okay, so about the part 2 of the video. Till now I have uploaded the following. sample test 1 with no answers. I know a lot of people have been asking me to provide answers for this test, but I'm clarifying again that this was an experimental test for me, so I don't think answers really matter. It was to give you a general idea how the test might be, but I have given you the answers of NATA sample paper 2 part 1 and part 2 along with 5 sample tests. If you want, you can check them out. I will link them in the description box. Also, about the study material, many of you have reached out to me on Instagram saying it's a really good material. Thank you for that. It really means a lot to me. Those who still haven't looked at the study material, link है नीचे, एक बार देख लो, काफ़ी अच्छा material है वो. Okay, so I have one final test plan for you guys. The final test. The paper pattern, difficulty level, paper structure and topics as per my understanding and experiences, I have designed this test. Paper pattern is same as given by Council of Architecture, that is 125 question, total 200 marks, 4 question types, MCQ, MSQ, NAQ and PTQ. And I have decided the number of questions as 70 MCQs, 30 NAQs, 15 MSQs and 10 PTQs. Topic wise, I think the general distribution for the exam is gonna be something similar to this, that is 25 questions for maths, 10 questions for physics, 45 questions for architecture aptitude and 45 questions for your mental ability, along with the most probable questions for this year. Let's see how that goes. And about the answer key, I will be solving this test paper for you, so I might give you a lot of insight, shortcuts and how I think of a difficult question and how you should be thinking about the test. So I will try to upload it by Friday morning along with few more tips. So thank you for watching this video. Your support has been tremendous, and I will see you in the test. Thank you very much. Expect more.
Experience magic.